Crafty friends, welcome in. Today feels like a good day for some slow creativity and easy inspiration. The last few days have been super busy for me. I have been putting the final finishing touches on announcing my new design team. I'm excited to be announcing that soon. I'm also putting the final finishing closing of my cake business, so that has kept me really busy trying to get all that cleared up and cleaned out. So let's take a look at what my tea is for today. An Elf's Maple Herbal Tea. That sounds interesting. So what's everybody else been up to? I know this time of year can be super stressful, but I hope you're taking some time for yourself, either to craft or just to sit back and watch people craft. Sometimes I get the most stress relief just sitting back and watching some of my favorite creators on YouTube create without me having to actually sit down and think of a project. Let's take a little sip of this tea. Definitely has a maple flavor to it. Not quite sure what the herbal part is. I'll have to come back to that. So let's light our candle. And take a look at what our affirmation for today is. Today I create with playfulness and purpose. didn't have a lot of time to play today, so I just grabbed a lot of the things that were already on my desk and I created this little card. I fussy cut out a little bit of the lace here. I used some of the images from the kit, and then I stamped my day 10 on the back there. Since I missed yesterday, I wanted to show you the card I created with yesterday's freebie, the little post images. I just did images from the kit. I cut out some of the pieces from the pages. I added my own stamps and a little special delivery right there. So that's what I did for day 39. So let's take a look at what day 41's freebie will be. Time for a little chocolate fun for today. Day 9, put it right here. And let me grab something to get that out with. And see what our chocolate for today is. I think we have a rondello, milk chocolate with a creamy milk chocolate ganache. That's gonna be tasty. Well, my friends, I hope y'all are enjoying Journal Jubilee as much as I have been. I know this time of year is really busy, and I do appreciate y'all coming here to my little channel and spending just a little time with me each day to check out what I've made or just to check out what the freebies for tomorrow will be. So that's one more project in our stack, and thanks for joining me here in the attic. So until tomorrow, y'all take care.